Welcome to Star Biker. Today, we're taking a concise look at the 2026 Honda Unicorn 150, a motorcycle known for its reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 continues with a clean and mature design. Subtle body graphics, a muscular fuel tank, and refined panels give it a premium commuter look that suits both city riders and professionals. Engine and performance. Powered by a 150 cubic centimeters refined engine, the Unicorn 150 delivers smooth power and excellent low-end torque. The focus remains on vibration-free performance, making daily rides comfortable and stress-free. Ride comfort and handling. Honda has tuned the suspension for comfort, offering a plush ride on rough city roads. The upright riding position and well-padded seat ensure long rides remain relaxed and fatigue-free. Features and safety. The 2026 model comes equipped with modern essentials such as a digital analog instrument cluster, efficient braking system, and enhanced safety features that boost rider confidence in daily traffic. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the biggest strengths of the Honda Unicorn 150 is its fuel efficiency. It's designed to offer excellent mileage, making it a smart choice for riders who want low running costs. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 stays true to its reputation. Reliable, comfortable, and economical. It's an ideal commuter motorcycle for riders who value durability and smooth performance in everyday use.